Hey guys, welcome back. Steve with Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. I had an intro for this video, but after going through the dryer vent cleaning didn't go as kind of as I expected. Get a call from a customer. They're saying that they're having water back up and it's coming into the laundry room. All over the floor, all over everything, okay? Typically, that means there's a screen in the dryer vent. It's going up through the roof and there's a screen. Not in this case. But I take the duct apart in this one, and then I get down to the actual problem itself. So stick around, guys. Check it out. All right, so we're back upstairs. And wow, look how this thing is run. And then it goes all the way over to, and that's where it goes down through the floor. And we'll inspect that as well. But again, customers saying that it's leaking water. And you see that drip? Yeah, you see my hands? And remember now, the screen and the roof damper, yeah, there was one in there, but it wasn't anything big. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna start by taking this apart, this whole contraption right here. Because something's telling me it's between here and here, but I don't know. We're about to find out. Put all this mastic on there. Like, geez, dude, it's not gonna come apart. You don't need to use all this mastic. I'll take that out too then. It'll be all right. Sorry about that. Huh. And look at that. You can see all the way to the top. Huh. Okay, I'm gonna figure this out. Be back. All right, so got it apart. What I'm gonna do is, while the dryer's running, I'm gonna run my brush in from here and see what we have in this piece of ductwork here. Again, she said it was cleaned out, and I'll be darned, the ductwork doesn't look bad. However, it's still dripping water down. And it's either gonna be a clog in this, or there's something wrong with that damper. As y'all can see, I'm not getting anything out of this. So I'll pull this back out, but it's not good. That was a mouse trap going off. Ha! All right. Wow. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go put my blower in from the inside and just send some high powered air through it, but it's not because of this. Not because of this. Be right back. Here's the roof damper, okay? Can you see that? All right, so I figured it out. After doing all that, I still wasn't getting anything out. So I said, there's gotta be something else wrong. Lo and behold, there was. I'm gonna go back in there and take the flex back off. I'm not gonna talk, but I'm gonna show you guys how it's not even blowing. And this is something everybody should pay attention to, because if it's not blowing hard enough, pushing enough CFM, it's never gonna get that stuff out. It's gonna trap that moisture in. The dryer turns off. That moisture is gonna drip back down and gather down the pipe and come back in the laundry room every time. So I'm gonna set up, like I said, I'm not gonna really talk, but I'll show you what I mean. No airflow, zero, no airflow, no bueno. See, that dryer's not moving air. So it's trapping that gallon and a half of water. It's trapping it in the duct system. Dryer turns off, water drips back down the pipe. Customer says, I got a leak somewhere. Something's going on. So I'm gonna put this back together. And I'm gonna go ahead and tape this back up. I know there's water dripping out of it still. However, she's got to get that dryer fixed. It's not pushing enough air. So Mother Nature will take this water back. I'm not worried about that. All right. No, it wasn't that interesting of a video, guys, but moral of the story is, it's not always the dryer vent. A lot of times it is, don't get me wrong. A lot of times it's a screen in the roof damper up there, but not every time. Thank you guys for watching. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Head there, check out my Quick Connect periscope. It takes the place of the flex hose behind your dryer. Your dryer pushes straight back into it, seals every time. Thank you guys.